make America oceans great again. We have, for example, 281. We have, for example, flags. We have Marshall, Liberia, Bahama, Bermuda, Panama, St. Kitts. We have huge amount of American flags. Can we make them great again? How? Well, already most of them have huge amount of countries endorsable, not like Europe. Oof. So then, can we work it out better? 1, 2, then many grant Asia visa for seafarers. Well, what if we have local Panama officers, Venezuela officers, Cuba crew? We have Honduras, we have El Salvador, we have Guatemala, we have Colombia, Ecuador, Argentina, Brazil, 14,000 officers. We have Chile, Pacific, Atlantic, we have officers, schools. Can someone make the officers school great again? There is 1,000 officers in Peru and everybody wants Peruvians. Why not have 100,000 Peruvian officers in America, schools in the Caribbean? The economy is going to grow and expand. Make America oceans great again. How? Cool. Some ASEAN visas and invest in the local countries. Yes, make the oceans great again. Why? Because everything arrives, departs from the oceans. Imports, 0. Exports, 100%. And let's continue like that. Make America's oceans great again. Yes.